Have you ever noticed how your legs seem to be the first to give up on you? You're not alone. Research shows that leg strength can decline faster than other muscle groups as we age, often leading to mobility issues. But fear not. Today, we're sharing 6 incredible foods that can help strengthen those legs and keep you moving. First, let's talk about lean protein. Whether it's chicken, fish, or plant-based options like beans and lentils, protein is the building block of muscle. By including enough protein in your diet, you'll not only support muscle growth, but also repair any damage from those tough workouts. Think of protein as the fuel to power your legs through everyday challenges. Now, let's move on to leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with nutrients like calcium and magnesium, essential for strong bones and muscles. These greens also offer a wealth of antioxidants that combat inflammation in your body, keeping you feeling sprightly. Picture yourself enjoying a vibrant salad filled with these greens, knowing you are investing in the strength of your legs. Next on our list is nuts and seeds. These tiny powerhouses are rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and protein, all vital for muscle recovery and growth. Snack on some almonds, walnuts, or flax seeds and feel good, knowing you're giving your legs the support they need, especially after an intensive workout. Talk about a delicious way to strengthen your legs. Let's not overlook the significance of berries, such as blueberries and strawberries. These colorful fruits are not just tasty snacks, they are also low in calories and high in antioxidants. Berries have been shown to reduce muscle soreness, helping you bounce back quicker after exercise. Can you imagine enjoying a refreshing berry smoothie and knowing it's doing wonders for your leg strength? Now, we must highlight the benefits of whole grains. Foods like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are fantastic sources of complex carbohydrates that provide you with the energy needed for your daily activities. They are also rich in vitamins and minerals that support muscle function. Start your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal, and your legs will definitely thank you. Finally, let's talk about the power of eggs. These nutrient-dense gems are fantastic for muscle recovery due to their high protein content and essential fatty acids. Scrambling a couple of eggs for breakfast can give your legs the muscle-building boost they crave. It's an easy and delicious way to look after your leg health. So there you have it, 6 foods that can give your legs the strength they need to thrive. By incorporating these into your diet, you can support your muscles, enhance mobility, and enjoy a more active lifestyle. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and slam that notification bell for more health and wellness tips. We love to hear from you too. Don't forget to comment below and let us know your favorite food for strength. And if you're looking for more ways to keep your body in top shape, be sure to check out our next video. Stay strong.